Hi there, my amazing friends. Welcome to today's meditation. Today we are learning how to do something really cool. It's called box breathing. Have you ever heard of it? It's kind of like a secret power that helps you feel calm and strong at the same time. And it's really fun. We're going to use our imaginations to make it even more exciting. Before we start, find a comfy spot where you can sit or lie down. Wiggle around a little bit if you need to. Wiggle all those wiggles out. Ready? Great. Let's get started. Imagine that you're holding a magical box in your hands. It's not just any box. This box can help you breathe in a special way. It has 4 sides, and on each side is a part of your breath. We're going to breathe with the box, nice and slow. And by the end, you'll feel super relaxed. Let's take a deep breath together first. In and out. Awesome. Now let's start practice box breathing. Here's how it works. We're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold our breath for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds, and hold it again 4 more seconds. That's one full breath with our magical box. Can you imagine the sides of the box forming as we breathe? Each side of the box appears with every step. Ready? Let's go. First, we breathe in slowly for 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine the first side of your box growing taller with your breath. Now hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. The second side of your box forms steady and strong. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4. The third side of your box appears glowing softly, and hold again for 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth side of your box locks into place, and now you have a full glowing box around you. That was great. Let's try it again together. Imagine your box shining even brighter this time. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. The first side of the box stretches up. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. The second side forms. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4. The third side joins in. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. The last side completes your magical calming box. Wow, you're doing such an amazing job with your breathing box. It's like a superpower helping you stay calm and focused whenever you need it. And the best part is, you can use this breathing box anytime when you feel a little nervous or just need to rest for a minute. It's always there for you. Let's do one more round, and this time, imagine your magical box is glowing with your favorite color. It can be as sparkly, bright, or as soft as you want. Ready? Here we go. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the first side of your colorful box rising. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. The second side locks in, glowing your favorite color. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4. The third side gently forms, still shining brightly, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. The final side completes the box, wrapping you in calmness. There you go. Your magical breathing box is all around you, keeping you relaxed, safe, and calm. Whenever you need a moment to feel peaceful, you can use your box breathing to help. Now, take one last deep breath in and out, and smile. You've learned something amazing today. I am so proud of you.
Thanks for joining us today on 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. We hope you found some calm and focus. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment of mindfulness.
And if you have a minute, we'd love for you to leave us a 5-star rating and review. It really helps other families find their calm too. Thank you for the support, and we will see you next time.